Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, we're going to be doing a gator stir fry. Let's cook. Okay, so let's season our gator. Got some oregano. Some thyme. So this gator was caught by my boy Dave down in Florida. Went on one of them hunting excursions. Smoked paprika. Cayenne pepper. Gotta have that nice little kick to this. Got garlic, freshly ground. Salt. A little bit of black pepper. Mix this up and let this marinate for about an hour. Okay folks, so we got our veggies here in our wok. Stir fry these down a little bit. Okay, we're going to add mushrooms. Okay, we got some hot peppers we're going to add. Smells really, really good, baby. Smells really good. Okay, we add some ginger garlic paste and some Korean hot pepper paste, the gochujang. There we go. Gator doesn't take that long to cook, so now we're going to add our gator. Alright folks, look at this. So with the gator meat, you don't want to cook it too long because then it's going to dry out, but we got a little bit of liquid here. And everything's pretty good. Look at this. See that? Okay. Time to plate this. Alright, here's our finished product. Look at this. World Famous Foods Gator Stir Fry. See that? Look at that. Well marinated. Kind of chewy, but wow, outstanding taste. All right, here we go. World Famous Foods.